Today we are going to talk about how to fix a suspended Google My Business location. So if you're a small business owner or manager and you have a physical or service location on Google My Business, which used to be called Google Places, I'm going to talk to you about how to fix that. Google is cracking down. It's annoying. If you've been suspended, join the gang. I feel like we all have at this point, and they're cracking down especially for like certain locations and if you're trying to game the system a little bit. My name's Frederick with Momentum Digital. If you're watching, make sure you hit that like, comment, share, and subscribe button. Turn on that bell right here for post notifications on YouTube. I am here in my phone repair shop. We have plenty of retail locations. I use this as a case study for Momentum, but we're gonna use my new location for Frederick SEO, which was suspended. So I'm gonna walk you through how to get this fixed so that you're no longer suspended. All right, let's get into it. All right, let's get into it. First thing you want to do, just go to Google My Business, search for that. You can pull it up on your phone too, but it's easier instead of using the app on your phone to fill it out on desktop. Sorry, I'm going to minimize myself here if my computer wants to work. A little slow. So go to Google My Business. You're going to want to make sure to sign in and then go to the location that's suspended. So I just created this location like 2 months ago, Frederick SEO. It's for my SEO consultancy and course that I'm launching. Details in the description below. So what you're gonna do, you can learn more. I'm gonna click into the account that says suspended. On the home screen, it doesn't let you do anything. It says verify. And you can't verify the account because you're suspended. So what you need to do is go to learn more. And I would suggest reading through this guidelines for your business, appeal to have the profile reinstated, probably what you're looking for. Here's a video I suggest you watch, kind of walks you through some details, but you definitely want to request for this to be reinstated. From there, what you'd like to do is read through these. Have you already submitted a reinstatement request for this account? I'm gonna hit, I did, but I'm gonna say no. Are you the official representative, company, organization? Yes, you are. Did you read the guidelines? Yes. Is your organization permanently located at the address? Yes. Have you entered an account accurate address? Yes, but I actually entered suite 1602. The business unit I am in is 1601, but I don't want to have the same office number as everybody else. And I did get this verified with a Google postcard. So they send you a card in the mail. So that means you're a legitimate location. Jump back over here. Does your business operate in a service area? Does your business model require you to have an authorized representative of the business to travel? No. Do you have multiple profiles for the same location? No. Submit this request then. So here you're gonna put in your request. What is the official email address used to manage? Actually, it is my Gmail. What is the name of your business? Frederick SEO. What is the address or service area of the business? It has an address, so copy that, paste it over. What is the URL for the business you're requesting? So you actually have to copy this URL. So just choose the homepage on your Google My Business account. Scroll down, make sure you're using the right phone number. Let's get the phone number here. Feel free to call me if you need SEO. Shout out. Copy that. I think that was already here, to be fair. Oh, no. Additional information. This is a new business and location. I verified with a postcard. I have an office in a shared co-working space. Here is my website. So send them any information you can about the business. For the business, which has the location on it too. So we're gonna go to my website, copy that over. It's down here has the address. So paste that. Choose any relevant proof. If you have any proof, like any mail or letters, you can take a picture of and upload that to the location or the postcard you had at one point. Any business documentation you have, upload it here and then hit submit. Typically you should hear, please note you will not receive an email confirmation. Our team will contact you as soon as we review your appeal. So just wait to hear back from them. You can check out the help community or try to contact them. It's nearly impossible to get a hold of Google. It's ridiculous. So just follow those steps. If you have any questions, just comment, question below. Read the blog, check this out for more information. I hope this was helpful, and screw Google. You live and die by it. I used to work at Google, and now I run these businesses based off of Google and local SEO. So you don't want to get suspended, but if you do, these are the steps to follow. It's so annoying. It's almost as annoying as you not hitting this like and subscribe. So make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment below. Talk to you next week. Thanks for watching.